What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to turn off Bixby to save battery in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on advanced features. Now here click on side button and in press and hold section select power off menu and then go back and click on Bixby. Now here click on voice wake up and then you will see a on off button on the top, so tap on this button to turn it off, and after turning off this button the Bixby will be turned off. So that's how you can turn off Bixby to save battery in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.